Drink to reduce stomach. Do you know that you can reduce abdominal fat and clean your liver with this simple drink? When you start using this drink, many will ask whether you have done surgery or not, which has reduced your bloated stomach. But the truth is that the drink is the magic. To prepare this effective remedy, let's start with the apple. Clean the apple thoroughly and cut it into pieces. Apple is very rich in calcium and phosphorus. These nutrients are vital in the formation of bones and to keep it strong and healthy. It's time to prepare the beet, which should be cleaned and skinned. Cut the beet into pieces. The beet contains antioxidants which fight a lot of body inflammation. This offers relief for arthritis and other body inflammation. This makes it a secret weapon for getting rid of fat, especially belly fat. Once the beets are chopped, you need to set them aside. Final ingredients to be used are 2 lemons. Clean, cut, and squeeze the lemon juice. Lime is a powerful source of vitamin C and potassium. It also contains vital minerals. It will help improve immune system and fight against various diseases. Next, put all the ingredients together in a blender. Add a little water and blend for about 3 minutes. This remedy is not only antioxidant, it also treats digestive problems in people. Again, it is a perfect ally to reduce inflammation in the abdomen, throat, and fight bad breath in people. Once blended, our apple, beets, and lime is now ready for drinking. You will need to drink 3 times a week for ultimate results. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell and click all. Then like our videos and share.